Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. So since I'm running low on one of my favorite all-natural products to clean my house, I'm going to stop by Target and show you guys my top 5 favorites. So let's go to the store. But one more thing before I go, let me grab my handy face mask because you know you can't go anywhere without it. So today was pretty cloudy and cold, so I was rushing to get inside. I don't know about you, but I love Target over Walmart. For some reason, they just are a lot cleaner and they have a lot better customer service to me. So you're going to go ahead and grab your buggy or cart, whatever you call it, and head to the household supplies area in Target. And here we are, the household supplies section. So as you see here, you have a variety of options to choose from. A lot of things are gone. That's mostly where the Lysol are. As for number 5, my most favorite is the Puracy brand. It's a disinfecting surface cleaner, kills 99% of bacteria. It's fruits and vegetables, has a general cleaning substance. It's been rated with a 5-star review. So this is one product you should grab if you haven't tried it already. Number 4 is J.R. Watkins. So they didn't have any cleaning products to show you, so I grabbed the hand soap so you could at least see the brand. This is a great brand to try. It's free of dyes, parabens, and formaldehyde. Go try it out. Number 3, we have the 7th generation disinfecting multi-purpose cleaner. It kills 99% of bacteria, has a lemongrass citrus smell. This one actually disinfects, deodorizes, and cleans. So while in Target, I came across this brand, NBD. I've never tried this before. It looks like a great product. It's all plant-based, has no dyes or parabens. If you guys have tried this out, let me know. I might grab this as well and try this one later and let you know what I think. Another great brand to try is Ecos. I haven't tried their hand soap, but I have tried the dish detergent. It works great. It has no parabens or dyes. So this is also another one to grab. Didn't make the list, but definitely try it out. Number 2, we have Mrs. Meyer's. Oh my God. When I say this is one of my favorites, it's one of my favorites. If I don't have number 1, I have Mrs. Meyer's. So this one has no dyes, no parabens, and it's used plant-based ingredients with essential oils. You need to try it if you haven't tried it. As for number 1 is Method. My favorite. This one is one of my top, the all-purpose cleaner. Literally, you can use it on anything in your house. No, I'm just kidding. But no, you can definitely use it on your counters, your stones, the woods. This one smells amazing. This is one of my favorites. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the cart because I'm buying this one later. This particular one is an antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. It kills 99% of germs. It's the bamboo flavor. This one also smells amazing. Here we have the foaming tub and tile cleaner, the eucalyptus and mint scent. It's a great one to try out. It smells amazing. Here's a different variety of hand soaps and dish soaps that Method has. I've tried a lot of these. Again, this is one of my favorite brands, as you can tell. And here we have the glass cleaner, the Windex alternative. Has a mint smell, will give you streak-free results on any glass that you have in your house. Grab it. Here we have the Squirt and Mop collection. I have personally tried the almond. It smells so good, you guys. If you haven't tried this one, this is the first one you should try out. It smells so good. Now it's time to head to the register. Scan your item. Take your receipt. And time to head out the store. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was so cold walking from the store back to my car. I was trying to hurry up. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Please let me know what you guys think of my top 5. As you saw, Target supplies was kind of low. I mean, I guess COVID has made people buy over amounts of product. But again, thank you guys again. Bye.